Ladies and gentlemen, members of the whole, um, the needs of economical sectors to grow in developing countries and the lack resource that they have will open the opportunity for foreign companies to operate in their territory and help the country to raise their economic growth and help the country to provide welfare for the people. And for as a prime minister today, I will define the motion. So our motions today is this House believe that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. So when we talk about developing country, we're talking about countries that are still struggling to have stable condition in economic sectors and to provide welfare for the people. And we won't talk when we talk about the foreign companies. It can be any companies that work in any special field, and it comes to our to developed countries in the purpose of opening new branch of office that say or in the terms of cooperating with local companies. So the condition in the developing countries, as we understand that they are still struggling with the economical sectors, and of course the local companies also is not really as big as the foreign companies, so they will not have the ability to provide the job vacancies as much as the foreign company, or let's say the local companies is not developed so much, so they cannot provide what the people needs to from that companies. So we can see from our, for example, in Indonesia, as a developing country, we have a lot of jobless people, even though actually they are graduated from university or they have the skills that needed to be able to work in a company, but they don't have any opportunity to apply to companies because of the lack of the vacancy that the local companies or the government can give for the people. So, and the second one is because they are mostly the foreign companies that come to developing country, they are not considering to open any vacancy for the local workers, so they are usually bring their own workers from the country. So that's why we believe as the government we should require the foreign companies that work in our territory to open the opportunity for local workers to apply, and they should provide a minimum quota to in hiring our local workers, because when we let this happen, it will cause a social class within the people. They will felt that in they cannot be successful, they cannot develop their career even in their own country, because there was their job, their opportunity was taken by the foreign workers. So this let's go to the case. So this thing, if we not require the foreign companies to open the vacancy for our local workers, it will cause a serious damage for developing countries. So because the first one, my argument is, when we require the foreign companies to open a minimum quota for hiring local workers in the developing countries, it will absorb the human resources in the country and provide justice for the people. Like I say before, when we let the foreign companies when they not opening any local workers, we will. Facing a lot of wasted human resources in our country. They are not growing, and the second is they will not feel any justice for them in their own country. So they will felt like, in my country I cannot develop myself, in my country I cannot develop my career. The government only doesn't care about us. We don't want the people in developing country feel like that. So we as the government should we as the government suggest we as the government say that the foreign companies should open the opportunity for local workers to apply in their companies. So the second one, that it is will be beneficial for the developing countries regarding to their economical growth and development in the future. So when the foreign companies open a minimum quota for our local workers to work there, that will happen transfers of knowledge and also technology that will be beneficial for our country, for the developing country to grow in the future, to not to open to develop their own country without being without the help of the foreign companies, because they have the knowledge and they have the technology. And the third one is it will help our country to grow, like I said before. um, it will absorb the human resources. It will elevate the quality of human resources, and also it will be beneficial for the government too, because the people can get the job, and they will decrease the amount of jobless people in that developing country. And the fourth is to prevent social clash and injustice among our society. So when we require the foreign companies to open a minimum quota for our the local workers in the developing country, it will prevent from social class. The people will not feel like they are abandoned. They are the door are closed for them, and they don't have any opportunity, because they will not feel like that, and they will not have feel that this is injustice. They will not be disappointed to the government, and they will be able to develop themselves and develop their career. That also it will impact it positively through the developing country. So therefore, we believe as the government, it is our job to protect our people, and to make sure that every people in our country have a job and have the right to build their career on their own country. So as the government, we believe that developing countries should require foreign companies operating in its territory to have a minimum quota of hiring local workers. Thank you.